It's time to play the Toy Story 4 Giant Smash Game! OMG, boys and girls, guess what? The Toy Story 4 movie is here! I'm so excited to see what adventures Woody and Buzz get up to next! I'm ready to spin the wheel. Are you? 3, 2, 1. It landed on Buzz Lightyear! He's one of my favorite characters ever! Do you know what Buzz always says? To infinity and beyond! Look at this awesome punch board with all its awesome Toy Story 4 characters. Let's see who we have. We have Woody the Cowboy, Mr. Potato Head, Buzz Lightyear, Bo Peep, Rex the Dinosaur, and a mystery character. I've seen this before. When there's a mystery character, something usually silly happens. I wonder who it is. Do you remember who we got in the first spin? Type it in the comments. That's right, we got Buzz! Let's see what surprise Buzz has for us. He's a space ranger, so he usually has a ton of cool surprises. 3, 2, 1, giant smash! It's Buzz Lightyear, the Space Ranger in real life. Wow, I can't wait to play with him.
I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace.
Round 2. It landed on Bo Peep. Count them with me. 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4. 4 sheep. Awesome. I can't wait to see what Bo Peep has for us. I saw the Toy Story 4 movie and Bo Peep is awesome in it. Woody and Buzz try to find her after she went to a new family, and they all save the day together. Let's all save the day and see what's behind Bo Peep's circle. What's that? What a cute little giggle. I wonder who it belongs to. 3, 2, 1, giant smash! Aw, look everyone! It's Baby Jack Jack from The Incredibles 2, another one of my favorite movies ever. But this is just a toy Jack Jack. I wish I had the real Jack Jack here with me. Type GO in the comments if you want the real Jack Jack here too. Maybe something magical will happen. Are you typing GO? Whoa, look everyone, Jack Jack is here with me. Are you ready to play the giant smash game with me, Jack Jack? No. Oh no, did you leave something in the punch circle? Of course, Jack Jack's baby bottle. Time for another spin. It landed on the mystery character. I wonder who it is. All hints are, he's green, hates Christmas, and loves to steal toys. He sounds really sneaky. Give me a big thumbs up if you see anyone sneaking around here. 3, 2, 1, giant smash! I wasn't expecting this. It's a Happy Meal. I love Happy Meals, especially when they have Chicken McNuggets.
Ellie Sparkles, is that you?
Wait, what was that?
Let me guess, you took my Happy Meal again.
Oh, I'm sorry, Grinch. I didn't know this was your Happy Meal. I just found it in the mystery circle.
The Happy Meal's supposed to be in my Grinch belly right now. I don't like sharing. Give it back.
Okay, just let me help you with it. Oh, ew! There's slime in here. Slime in my Happy Meal?
Of course it is. Everything tastes better with slime, especially green slime. If it's not green, then I don't eat it.
Well, I hate to tell you, Grinch, but this slime isn't green, it's pink.
What? Pink slime? No way. Not gonna happen. I'm not eating pink slime. Ellie Sparkles, you can keep that Happy Meal. It's all yours. Yuck.
Thanks, Grinch, but no thanks. I don't like eating slime, no matter what color it is. Gross! Who's up next? Let's find out! It's Woody the Cowboy, my favorite cowboy around. Do you know what cowboys ride? Not cars, not bicycles, but horses! Yeehaw! Three, two, one, giant smash! Look who it is, cowboys and cowgirls. It's Woody. You look so cool in your cowboy costume, Woody. But you look a little different today. I wonder what it is. Is it your boots? Nope, they're the same as always. Is it your vest? I don't think so. What is it?
I'd like to win, alright?
Look, Woody, it's one of your best friends ever, Jessie. You, Woody, and Buzz are like the bestest friends ever, right, Jessie? Wait a second, you look a little strange too. Is it your boots? Nope, they're the same as always. Oh, I know what it is. You two are wearing each other's hats. But you both look really good in them. Let's fix this though. There we go, all better. You guys look really, really cool. I wonder who we're gonna get this time. It landed on Mr. Potato Head. Mr. Potato Head is really cool because you can put all sorts of accessories onto him, like a mustache or a hat, like this. I wonder if Mr. Potato Head has something really cool for us. 3, 2, 1, giant smash! Oh no, Mr. Potato Head, you're just a potato! What happened to all your parts? Don't worry, I'll fix you. Is that right, Mr. Potato Head?
No way.
No? Yeah, I think you're right. I'll fix this.
Yeah, much better.
It's time to spin the wheel again. It landed on Rex. Rex is a dinosaur. Do you know how dinosaurs walk? They walk like this. Do you know how they sound? Try it with me. 3, 2, 1. Roar! Good job. Sometimes dinosaurs are a little scary. Hopefully this surprise isn't. 3, 2, 1, giant smash! Whoa, look everyone! It's Rex, just like in the movies. He's so much bigger in person. He's green, he has a huge tail, huge legs, a huge head, but tiny arms. He's got so many sharp teeth. But don't worry, just because he's big and scary, like a real dinosaur, doesn't mean that he's a mean dinosaur. He's actually really friendly. Right, Rex? Wow, that was a cool roar. You're so awesome, Rex. Roar! Roar! It landed on the Mr. character. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we get to see who the Mr. character is this early in the game. I know only one pup who loves green. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3. Grinch was the mystery character. I thought Rocky the pup was the mystery character. Grinch, do you like recycling too?
Well, I'm green just like Rocky, and I can make doggy sounds just like Rocky, too. Moo, moo, moo. See?
Huh.
I'm a green doggy just like Rocky. And I have another surprise for you. Me and my villain friends want to play in your game so we can win all the surprise toys. If you find 2 more villains hiding under your Paw Patrol circles, then you lose the game and my villain team wins.
Oh no!
This game's gonna be so much fun. Good luck, Ellie Sparkles. Oh yeah, and one other thing. I left you a colorful surprise.
Oh no, look out! Oh man! Grinch is acting so silly all the time. And can you believe it? He wants to ruin our Smash game. He says that 2 of his villain friends are hiding behind one of these punchboard boxes. And he says if we get 2 of the villains, we lose the game. Oh no! Let's hope our next spin is a good pop. Time for spin number 2. It landed on Sky! Sky's awesome! She has pink eyes and pink goggles, and pink is my favorite color ever! And the best part, she loves to fly airplanes. Isn't that cool? I want to fly too! Look, I'm flying! Let's take it to the sky. 3, 2, 1. Awesome! Look, everyone! It's Sky's favorite toy plane! I love planes! They go so high up in the air, and it feels like you're in a big, giant bus in the sky. Look, this one has a green stripe, 4 windows, and red wings! Wow! It even opens up! We can fit all the Paw Patrol in here. Have you ever been on a plane before? Where did you go? Type go in the comments if you've been on a plane before. I love flying in planes. Time for spin number 3. It landed on Marshall, the firefighting pup. Ah, we gotta put this out. Cool, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Look, everybody! It's a giant Paw Patrol Ultimate Fire Truck! This is awesome! And huge! It's a cool fire truck with lights, water, a hose, a ladder, and the ladder even extends to be even longer. I know somebody who really loved this toy. It's Marshall! Since Marshall is the professional firefighter, he should tell me what his favorite part of the fire truck is. The ladder? Me too! And the ladder on this toy is really cool. You want to play with it, Marshall? I'll come join you later. Are you ready for spin number 4?
Yes!
It landed on Everest, the snow pup. She loves the snow. She likes skiing, snowboarding, and building snowmen. It's getting kind of cold in here. Ugh, I really wish I had my jacket. Let's go to the punch board now. I'm much warmer now with my jacket on. Okay, let's see what Everest has in store for us. 3, 2, 1. Ow! What's going on? I can't punch through Everest at all. Oh no, everyone! It's Romeo! And as you know, Romeo's a villain! This must be one of Grinch's first villain friends to find. If we get another one, we lose! Oh, I have a bad feeling about this. 3, 2, 1. Gross, everyone! We got slime! Ew! It's so sticky and gross and icky. Ow, no! Not another bad surprise! I can't believe we got tricked by Romeo! Oh, if the villain team gets 1 more point, we lose! What am I gonna do with this slime? That is such a good pup to land on. Chase is such a good boy. He's always catching bad guys. Everybody loves Chase. Well, let's hope this isn't the last villain. Otherwise, we lose. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look, everyone! It's a treat! We got the Treasure X! This is awesome! Me and Chase love digging up our Treasure X's! That means we won the game! Yes! Take that, Grinch! Take that, Romeo! We did it! Yay! I can't wait to play with all my toys with all my Paw Patrol friends!
Hey, how come I didn't win? Oh no, Ellie, Sparkles, and her friends are always ruining my plans. I was supposed to win the game this time, not Ellie and all of her silly dogs. How come the villains just can't win once? Just one time? Great, now I have to come up with even more plans on how to win.